For millions of years, beavers lived across Britain. They weren't just part of nature, they were engineers of nature.
But by the 1600s, they were gone. Beavers disappeared from our rivers completely.
But when they vanished, something else disappeared too. The wetlands they created, the habitats they shaped, and the amazing biodiversity they supported.
But nature had a surprise planned.
Hi, I'm Oscar.
And I'm Sophie.
And we're from Beaver Trust. And today we're going to be diving into the exciting world of beavers.
We're going to learn all about how these incredible creatures help to shape Britain's waterways.
And how they're helping us to do it again.
Beavers were once widespread across Europe and Britain, but by the 1600s, they had mostly disappeared from our landscapes. They were hunted mainly for their fur, one of the densest pelts in the animal kingdom. They were also hunted for their meat, which was considered a luxury food. And they were hunted for castoreum, a special oil produced in a beaver's body. This oil was used in traditional medicines and perfumes. By the mid-1800s, beavers had almost gone extinct worldwide, but thanks to the efforts of conservationists, they began to make a comeback. Beavers began returning to Britain in the early 2000s, thanks to conservation projects and community support. And that's where Beaver Trust comes in.
Our mission is simple. Firstly, help beavers return to rivers across Britain. Secondly, work with landowners and communities so people and beavers can thrive together. Thirdly, share science, stories and education with young people just like you. And finally, restore healthy rivers and wetlands for wildlife and future generations.
We work across England, Scotland and Wales, surveying rivers, supporting reintroductions, training volunteers and building tools for coexistence.
Because we believe nature isn't something out there.
Nature is home, and beavers help us humans take care of it.
Welcome to Mill Dam, one of the incredible beaver habitats here in Scotland.
Behind us is a beaver-built dam which has done a fantastic job of creating a huge pond and wetland habitat for lots of other species.
Ecologists call this ecosystem engineering because beavers don't just live in nature, they build it.
Their dams are fantastic for slowing down water during floods.
Their wetlands can hold water back during times of drought.
And it also creates fantastic habitat for lots of species like birds, amphibians, lots of different bugs and also young plant species growing in the area.
Not bad for the work of one small furry carpenter.
With some really big teeth.
Let's meet the ultimate eco-engineer.
Beavers have amazing adaptations. They have webbed feet, a bit like a built-in paddle. Beavers are strong swimmers, adapted for life in the water.
Self-sharpening orange teeth, fortified with iron for cutting wood. They never stop growing during the beaver's life.
They have a nictitating membrane. This is a special translucent eyelid that acts like a pair of swimming goggles.
Nostrils and ears that close underwater. This helps keep the water out when they dive, sometimes for up to 15 minutes at a time. A powerful, scaly tail, which acts as a rudder, a kickstand, and a communication tool.
And they make use of family teamwork. The baby kits learn from the adults, and every member of the family works as part of a beaver team. Beavers are herbivores. This means they only feed on plant material such as stems, bark, leaves, and roots. They store food plants in an underwater larder which provides them food over the winter months. They can fell trees and use their teeth to cut the branches into smaller pieces, which they use to build dams. Their dams control the water level in their habitat, creating deep beaver ponds. In or around these ponds, they can build a lodge, which is a safe place for them to hide from predators and raise their young. Beavers are mostly nocturnal, which means you won't usually see them during the day, but you can still keep an eye out for signs that beavers are around, like coppice trees or even tracks in the mud.
Every tail slap
Every branch carried,
and mud-packed wall is part of an ancient blueprint for building thriving wetlands.
when beavers move in, they start to design their environment, and everything else benefits. Beavers are gradually returning to our landscapes, and with them, hope for healthier rivers.
But sharing a landscape isn't always easy. Beavers sometimes flood fields or block drains, and that can cause challenges for people.
That's why Beaver Trust works on coexistence. We can fit flow devices to help manage water levels,
Beaver-friendly fencing,
and we can give guidance and advice to landowners. We also engage in research and science-based policy advocacy, and most importantly, we give community support. And our vision is simple.
a Britain where people and beavers flourish together.
And now it's your turn.
We've built a brand new kids education hub full of resources to learn about rivers, ecosystems and beavers.
You'll find videos and animations,
Science experiments,
quizzes and challenges,
outdoor activities
creative projects,
and real-world conservation stories.
Every scientist, engineer, artist and explorer starts somewhere, and today could be that day for you.
Together we can rebuild a wilder Britain, one beaver pond at a time.
So visit us at lodge.beavertrust.org or scan the QR code. Follow us, learn with us and build with us. And thank you for being part of the future of wildlife in Britain.